On the evening of September 11, 2001, my unit got orders to deploy to Iraq. I was wearing my soft cap and I bent down to grab some poles for a tent. 2 female soldiers were carrying a heavy center beam for a big field tent. They didn't see me below and dropped it on my head. 1 beam to the head, 1 fall to the floor, and the movie of my life began to jump. Everything became black and hopeless. It felt like someone took scissors and cut frames from my timeline throughout the day. 1 minute I was filing records, the next minute I was walking around on a base lost. When I returned from the military in 2003, I didn't remember people's names or faces. I became very depressed. I ended up homeless and sleeping at friends' houses. I would go and stay somewhere else for a night, and when I came back, they would tell me I had been gone for weeks. In 2010, finally focus was coming through. In the polytrauma unit at the VA hospital, they showed me a part of my brain that was damaged. I began to understand that I really did have a disability and began to learn to adapt and focus on what I could do rather than what I couldn't. I started focusing on God, and He rewrote my movie to begin the healing process. I used the tools from my former military life to help homeless people, to have faith in the unseen, yet believe that Jesus is real and He heals and restores. No matter how messed up I was, He loved me and rescued me from the distorted movie of my life, replacing it with a beautiful picture for the future.